Welcome to the channel, Washita Mountain Living. Today we're just going to do a little walking and talk. I'm going to walk over here right now and we're going to do a speed test where I'm going to put the new building, because that's something I didn't think about. Am I going to be able to pick up Starlink? Alright, y'all have to excuse the wind. I'm not using my microphones anymore because too many people complaining because they hear me breathing. That's because those mics pick up it. You're breathing everything. So I'm not using them anymore. I'm sick of hearing those comments because it's, you know, it's just picking it up. And yes, I'm out working, so I'm out of breath. All right, so that's why I'm not using it. Money went to waste. All right, let's run a speed test here. Ooh, it's not good at all. See if I can show that. 10, 11. That should be close to 100. Let's walk over to this place. The modem is in my office. I could probably, I don't know how accurate this is. It's awful slow today. And I'm uploading a video right now. Let's test again. Yeah, it ain't any better where I was gonna put it. That should be good enough to do what I need to do. I mean, it doesn't really need to have internet anyway. All right. Yeah. I went to Van Buren this morning, so I'm uploading that video now. I did it in 4K, so it's taking a while because it's a driving video, so I want the quality. Should have washed my windshield. Too many bugs on it. Yeah, I got all these limbs here waiting to be burned. And we're supposed to get rain this week, but it isn't going to be much. I got to burn that first. But look here, guys, we're already getting the fall colors up. Let me get over here where you can see better. So I'm going to have to go to Mina and do that Talamina Trail, because you've got a small window with the colors. You can see back there. They're starting to turn. Some of my trees are. Up there at the top. Yeah, especially over in there. Yep, and no, that's not poison sumac. Somebody had commented, that tree right there is the same thing. They don't grow 25 feet tall. So, that is not what that is. Let me get off this deck. Gotta be careful not to breathe. Oh, people find anything to complain about, I swear. Yeah, I don't know. Here lately, the comment section, I don't even want to talk about it. Let me get where I can see you. There, now y'all can see me. You know, just watch the video. I don't need criticism. I don't care. It ain't like it hurts me, but I'm not spending a lot of time at the comments anymore. It's just been getting too crazy. And it just seems to get worse every year with people. I don't know. You just can't satisfy everybody. And I knew, you know, you're not ever going to, but that's just the way it is. So I'm not putting that microphone on no more. Yesterday I did the video. I had it right here on my head, and I was feeding the dogs. Oh, we can hear you breathing. Yeah, it's because the microphone is right here, and I'm walking around and running. I just fed them now. Bet you don't hear me breathing now. And I'm overweight, okay? That could be part of it. Doesn't mean I'm dying. Did you girls eat? Well, there's Miss Millie. Come here. It's milk bone time. I better go get your milk bones, huh? You don't miss a milk bone. Look at these heads. All right, let's go in and get your milk bones. Here we go. Do-de-do-de-do-de-do. Got my laundry hanging on everything. There's my laser machine. All right, let me grab them a milk bone. I don't know what to think of that thing. Some days it works great. Other days you're fighting. Dig it in the old milk bone stash. Alright. It is beautiful out today. Ordered a little Bluetooth speaker that's also a radio to put on the old bike. Yeah, getting it decked out, man. Fully loaded. There's yours. Alright, now let's go give one to brothers and sisters. These girls there don't like to come inside. I've left the door open, tried to get them to come in here. They don't do it. Where you guys at? Go get your milk bones. Don't take my fingers off with it. You guys, I'm gonna turn the TV off. You guys are outside. You're not watching it. Yeah, that's probably why my internet's so slow. It's chair time. Come here, Millie. Come here. It's time to pet heads. Well, I got my first pet now. Come here, Millie. Come here. Here she comes. Who wants their head petted the most? You. Here comes Millie. She can't stand seeing your head petted. Come here. Oh, you got fly on you. Does it ride with you all the time? It's on your saddle. Yeah, the fly's on your saddle. She doesn't want to hang out. Oh, oh. No. I'll get you. Don't mess your hair up. It can't be done. It just goes right back where it was. Oh, 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 oh. I can hear you breathing. Where's Millie? You guys got an extra doghouse there if you need it. I need to get that doghouse and the one in the dog's yard out here for them for the winter. Yeah, I gotta fix the bottom in that one. That's an easy fix. And you guys will have really warm insulated dog houses, but they'll still get in them barrels. Still get in them. Yeah, are you done? Where's your toy? You don't have a toy? Don't have to look far. They're laying everywhere. There's a toy. That's Miss Tilly. Better get it. Give me that ball. You gotta shake it. You know, you gotta get the big puppy handle. There's little puppy handles and big puppy handles. Don't let Millie see you playing with it. She'll come take it from you. Get it. Get it. You just gonna watch it? I watched a video, Waldo, where this guy has 400 dogs. And he's keeping them. And they don't fight or nothing. What do you think of that? 400 dogs, Waldo. 400. Dude, would you want to go live there? And they all look bigger than you. Here. Here comes Lily. What you doing? I just come over here. I thought that tree was the only dead one. But no, that one there's dead. The one behind it's dead. Something got to him. Well, it almost looks like that one got hit by lightning. Right there. There was a big lightning bolt that hit back here. I was sitting in the office when it hit. I seen it hit on camera. Oh, the bark's peeling off that and everything. Oh, that, I remember a storm took that one down. That limb there. Shoot. The rest of them all look pretty good. Oh, wait a minute. Is that one dead too? I think the leaves are just falling down. And that little one's dead. I gotta take it down. That one there's dead. That one's dead. Maybe they just reached the end of their lifespan. Who knows? Ain't no telling. Well, it seems like the garden season went quick this year. Nothing left. And I was going to get rid of those, and heck, them peppers did the best. That's where I've just been dumping my charcoal from my grill. Thank you, car. 2 cars. I'm not going to bury all that in that dirt. It's just a lazy place to put it, and it don't hurt it. But that's too much. That's enough. So I'll keep them as long as they last. I'll just let these set. Doesn't hurt to let that rot in there. Yeah, had a pretty good tomato year. I've had better. Well, the marigolds are hardy because I haven't watered that thing. Still a growing. Alright. As I said in Dogman video, which you probably haven't, it's not even uploaded yet, but I don't put any music on this channel. I tried. I paid for the service with Artlist, and for some reason they keep copyrighting me. So I have nowhere to put music. I'm not using that lame YouTube music because they changed it too. You got to dig through it. It's confusing trying to figure out what you can use for free, what is not, and the stuff that's free is the same old songs that's been on there for years, and I'm not using them, so we ain't gonna have no music on this channel. So I'll try to make it as entertaining as I can without using music. So it's done good so far, but I don't know why. So I just I canceled it because I'm not paying for something that I'm not allowed to use. Obviously they got me confused because I got 2 channels. I don't know, but yeah, you could only have 1 channel per subscription, not prescription. And I did. I signed up separately for both of them, but maybe because it's out of the same account, maybe I should try set up with PayPal instead. I don't know, but it don't need music. So all right guys, I don't know how long this video is. I'm walking around here like a bumbling idiot trying to find things to film. Hopefully get the building, get this laser engraver going. I have a little more content and we make some things with that. I don't know. I got another week of this. Well, I've been managing to do it. They're getting views. All right guys, talk to you later. Happy trails. Why did you only eat half your supper? Huh? Do you think that stuff grows on trees? What are you digging at? Doesn't it look good? It's getting all dried out in the sun, Rooster. It ain't been out here that long. What are you licking on, your paw? It's too warm to be in your biscuit. We gotta have a talk. You, listen. You're gonna have to start paying rent, because I'm gonna have some more expenses. You listening to me? Why are you always cleaning them paws? They don't need no cleaning. Nobody wants to watch you clean your paws. Did you get your treat? Well, you only get half your supper, so then you only get half a treat. I'll go get you. You want a bacon treat? Or you want a chicken strip? How about we let you pick? I think we're out of chicken strips. Let me go get them. There might be some pieces of chicken strips in there. Mix them up. Oh, I see one. She'll probably get that. Just get one. There goes the chicken strip. No. Take a burger. Yep, she got herself a burger. You only get one. Acting like you're going to take a second. Would you like a second? I see a chicken strip. There's a chicken strip. You stashing that one? She's going to bury that one. Oh, goodness. You guys already had your after supper treats. Would you like a burger? Come here. Get your burger. Why you do that? Oh, I got the camera. I guess Tilly don't want one. Here's an old hot dog. Melly, you're so jumpy. I know, you guys knew that they got extra treats. I got 2 blue dogs for you guys. These things smell good. I haven't tried it yet. There's you a blue dog. You guys did good on your supper. Let me turn your radio back up. There you go. Say happy trails.